Welcome back. In this video, we'll set up the product page component. This bar appears right below the Add to Cart button, exactly where customers make their buying decision. After they click Add to Cart, they immediately see how close they are to free shipping. That creates a natural flow. Add to Cart, see progress, maybe add one more item to reach the goal. From your promotion, find the Product Page Component card and click Create. Same layout as the Progress Bar. Settings on the left, Live Preview on the right, 3 tabs at the top. The Content tab works just like the Progress Bar we covered in previous video. Same fields, Main Message, Progress Message, and Goal Reached Message with the same dynamic placeholders. Pick a template or write your own. You can toggle the Progress Bar on or off. This is useful if you want to show only the upsell slider without the bar, or only the bar without upsells. You can mix and match. Below that, you'll see the product page upsell section. Same idea, you can show or hide it independently. We have a dedicated video covering the upsell functionality. The upsell works the same on both product pages and cart pages, so we cover it all in one place. The Styling tab lets you customize the bar's look. You'll find the same color templates from the other components here. So if you chose Winter Frost for your Progress Bar, you can pick the same template here to keep a consistent look across all your components. The preview updates as you change settings. Drag the cart amount slider to see how it looks at different progress levels. When you enable the upsell slider, you'll get extra styling options for product cards. We'll cover those in the upsell video. The Placement tab controls where this component appears. Works similarly to the Progress Bar component. Under Display On, choose All Products, Specific Collections, or Specific Products. For most stores, All Products works well. Where Not to Display lets you exclude specific products or collections. For example, exclude items that are already discounted or part of a bundle. Click Create Bar in the top right corner. You'll be taken back to the main dashboard. Publish your promotion to make it live. Open a product page on your store. You should see the Progress Bar below the Add to Cart button. Add a product to cart and watch the bar update. In the next video, we'll set up the cart page component. And remember, Video 8 covers the upsell functionality in detail, which works the same on both product pages and cart pages. Thanks for watching.